Hi loves, Lexie here. Today I'm coming at you with a very special video. I am featuring my favorite brand to find at TJ Maxx and Marshalls, which is Bellapierre. I love them so much. They're really expensive, but they're really high-end, like luxury products. So it's really nice, and you can find them for super cheap at TJ Maxx and Marshalls. I usually find them more at Marshalls than TJ Maxx, but definitely go get you some because these are so good. We're just going to go ahead and get started on these amazing lip products. I'm like so cheerful today. Like I'm like sassy, you know? Okay, so the lip products I have today are the matte collection of the Bellapierre Kiss Proof Lip Creams. They also have metallics, which you will be seeing a few of those because I have one that I've already hauled, but I also bought like a 4-pack of them. So you're going to see like 5 of those, but I'm going to give those their own little video because their formula is just a little bit different and they have metallic in it and they feel different on the lips. So these are only the matte ones. One of these came in a quad. No, 4 of these came in a quad. One of them didn't. I also had another one come in its own little like pen thing, but I already owned one for my quad, but I bought the quad after. If you understand what I'm saying. I don't know. So, I do have a couple duplicates of some of these that I'm not going to use and that I'm going to throw into a giveaway. Also, the ones that came in kits came with lip liners and a lip gloss. I have like 4 lip glosses and I don't need them. So, I'm going to use one and then the rest will just go to you guys whenever I do a giveaway. The lip liners I might keep because I don't own any and they're really nice lip liners. And they're really versatile with a lot of the shades that I own and use. So I might keep the lip liners just for that and not give those away. I'm sorry. But I kind of need the lip liners. So let's just get into the colors. The 2 that have the kit I'm going to do first. And that is Nude. Is this one Nude? Yep. Nude and Hothead. So the first one that we're going to work on today is Hothead. It is this gorgeous red shade. I have another one of these. You will be getting that eventually. And it comes with this really nice lip crayon or lip pencil. So first I'm going to line my lips. I think this is the second time in my entire life I've actually lined my lips. It's anxiety inducing. How do you do this? Okay, so now I'm going to apply the product and you're going to see how gorgeous this shade is. Okay, watch guys. Are you ready? Oh my god. They go on so smooth. They have a slight scent to it. Not really any taste, but definitely a little scent to it. It's very like floral, girly. It's really nice and fresh. And that is that color. That is one swipe over my lips. Didn't even have to do a second coat. One coat and you're done. Beautiful pigment. It's very opaque. Like you're definitely not going to see through this. Not very streaky at all. Not streaky at all. Just goes on like butter. It's so smooth. It is amazing. So again, this is Hothead. And now I'm going to take this off and I'm going to put on this lip liner, which is Nude. This is the Nude lip liner on, and now we are going to put the shade Nude on top. This is a very nice, like, everyday shade that you could totally wear to school, work, throw it on your bag. It goes with any kind of outfit. And that is Nude. Really nice, like, mauve nude. You could totally wear this with anything. I love this shade, but it's not my favorite one. You're going to see my favorite one. So, since I didn't give you an example on my last lip that I put on, I'm going to show you what this does to it. It's just a clear gloss. This is in the shade Finish. They just call it Finish because you put it on top. So, they give you the option of doing it with or without. But you just dab it on. Dab on those hairs. Sorry. It adds a glossy finish to it, but it's still long lasting because of that lipstick underneath. It's not a sticky gloss. It's not like slimy either. It's kind of like, it just feels like it's like melting into your lips. It's like you just took a drink of like hot chocolate or something and it's on your lips. So that's what that is. I really like this gloss. It's very moisturizing. It doesn't last a long time. It's a really, really nice lip gloss. So I'm glad to be giving away some of those to you guys. Today's the second day of the new year. Guys, like, how was your New Year's? What are your New Year's resolutions? Or do you even believe in New Year's resolutions? Because I don't. I might say some, but do I actually believe in them? Not really. Because I just feel like they never work, you know? Like, I don't know. Nobody ever really commits. Like, oh yeah, I'm gonna work out a bunch, and then like 2 weeks later, you're eating cake and binge watching Glee. So, I don't know. Our next color is Antique Pink. This is my favorite shade out of their collection for Kiss Proof lip creams. I love it so much. Again, that is Antique Pink. It's just a beautiful, like, pinky nude. So next we have this beautiful dark berry color. It is in the shade Rose Petal. I absolutely love this color too. Antique Pink is my favorite, but this one is a close runner-up. I am a big lover of dark fall shades. This is our last lip color, and it is a wonderful pop of color. It is in the shade Hibiscus, which I'm pretty sure I have this in one of those packs with the lip gloss. So you're probably going to get one of these shades as well in a giveaway, as well as maybe a lip liner. I don't know. But this is Hibiscus. This is a wonderful pop of color. I love it so much, and I hope you do too. So sadly, this is the end of the video, but not the end of Bellapierre. I love how they always continue to wow me every time I find them and every time I try them out. There's literally only one thing I've been disappointed with them so far yet. Overall, everything else I've tried from them has been really, really cool, like really great, high quality products that are like effortless. They don't break you out. They come off pretty easily, except for these lipsticks. They stay on. But other than that, yeah. This brand is really, really nice. If you can find them at TJ Maxx and Marshalls, pick them up because you do not want to pay the prices they are online. One of these lipsticks, I think it's like 20 bucks. And then one of the highlighting palettes I have is like 45 bucks, and I got it for like 5 bucks. And so, yeah, you don't want to pay those online prices. You don't want to buy from their like site. I mean, I probably will because I'm obsessed. But definitely find them out in stores, and you will love them just like I have. I guarantee you'll love them. Like, there's no way that you can't love these things. So, I hope you guys had a wonderful day. I have a shout out to do. Today's subscriber shout out goes to Beauty by Ree. She is a new YouTuber out there, and she subscribed to me recently. She does a lot of things like eyeliner, makeup tutorials. She has a couple hauls on here. She's just got a lot of really cool things. So she's been on here for a year, but she doesn't seem to have been consistent until about 2 months ago. Then she started uploading a lot more. So you guys should definitely go check her out. She has just a few videos. This is her. Oh, what did I do? She has just a few videos here, you know. But she's beautiful. You guys should really go check her out. Beauty by Ree, I really want to thank you for subscribing to me. I want to help you get some viewers as well, so I'm giving you a shout out. Again, thank you so much for subscribing to me. I love the support you have and the comments that you've put on my videos. So, thank you so much for watching, everybody. If you want a subscriber shout out, all you have to do is subscribe and then comment down below that you did so. And I will give you a shout out and a link in my video in my description box, and also the first comment on the video. So, if you want that, if that sounds like something you want, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Show me some love, you know, and I'll show you love back. So, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and bye.